Tap New Survey and point at the floor. Press the forward arrow when the floor grid is lined up. Next, go around the room in a clockwise direction, marking the corners by tapping the plus button. Join up with the blue line at the last corner to complete. Then use the white drag handles to set the wall height. You can check the corners line up and drag them if not. When ready, tap the arrow again to begin capturing the FLIR images. Tap the white camera button to capture an image. You may need to take several shots to fill the wall. Tap the right arrow again when you are done. Now set the air and reflective target positions using the crosshair. Optionally, add a test or time-lapse capture zone to the wall. Finally, tap the right arrow to cycle through the surface temperatures, Q and U values for each section of the wall, total wall heat flow values, and values for marked zones.